Working with Workforce Connection has been a great value to our company and meeting our staffing needs. Hi, my name is Jaime Garcia. I'm the district manager in the Central Valley for Midas. The values that we have with our company is to be successful with our customers, our employees, take care of them in the best manner that we can, as professional as we possibly can, and look forward to growing with our community and helping them in the best way we can with our services. The reason why someone would want to work here with us is because we have the best skills, the best knowledge. We work with our employees on training them on a day-to-day basis. We also give them lots of benefits, lots of perks for thriving in this industry. I would say that the individuals that we currently have from Workforce Connection are very knowledgeable and are dedicated, showing up to work on time. You guys are picking the best people for our company. They have really good experience, and we look forward to continuing this growth with them. Currently have two individuals, Brian and Cody. One is at our Clovis location, one is here at our River Park location. So far it's been very good with them. Brian, who we hired on through Workforce Connection, we started him off as a basic lube technician, is now grown into our apprentice division, and I think he does have a really good career with us and future with us.
Hello, my name is Brian Gaitan. I was a participant in Workforce Connection, and I am a full-time employer with Midas. Here at Midas, my assignments are to perform oil changes, tire rotations, and look at brakes and inspect the vehicles that come in and out. Before working here in Midas, I used to be a foreman in construction. It wasn't really my touch. I knew I wanted to do something with my life and with a career. I chose to become an automatic technician, and I chose to apply for the program at Workforce Connection, which helped me land a job here at Midas. At Workforce Connection, it felt very welcoming. I got along with all the coworkers there. I got treated like family there, and it was a truly blessing to be part of that program. Workforce Connection has helped me a lot with being confident with myself.
I would say partnering with Workforce Connection has been really great. They've sent us over 25 employees through the whole time that I've been with the Workforce Connection. Those individuals that we have working are really successful. They have went from a minimum wage and now are making over $35 an hour. Here with Midas, we love to give people second chances. Everyone needs a second chance in life. And here with us, you have the ability to grow in this industry. We will train you, mold you, and get you certified and get you going in the right direction to have a successful career with us.
I want to say thank you to Workforce Connection for lending me and helping me create and to continue to go forward with my career.
I would like to thank the Fresno Regional Workforce Development Board for this award. I would also like to thank Inez Cuevas for the nomination. We thank you and appreciate you.